ever in God's infinite presence, remembering God's infinite presence, omnipresence, even in the midst of challenges, fears, and worries. The Christ within is larger than these challenges. For today's meditation, I would like to focus on relaxation. Using relaxation to bring calm through our breathing. Let's start by getting comfortable in your chair. Both feet firmly on the floor. Roll your shoulders back 3 or 4 times. Please close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so. Take a deep cleansing breath in, filling your lungs through your nose, out through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. In and out. In and out. Keep breathing slowly like this, fully emptying your lungs with each exhale. Your deep breathing calms and relaxes you, allows your body to relax, to get just the right amount of oxygen and feel calm. There is nothing you need to be doing right now, and nowhere you need to be except here and relaxing, enjoying this meditation. You deserve this time and need this time to function at your best. Relaxation will allow you to be as calm and healthy as possible. This meditation is productive, healthy time. You are looking after your body by doing this. As you continue to breathe slowly and comfortably, turn your attention to your body. Notice how you are feeling physically without trying to change anything. Simply become aware of the sensations in your body. All you need to do right now in this meditation is observe. How you are feeling right now is okay. None of your physical sensations are cause for concern, though some of them may be unpleasant because they are signs of built-up stress. Notice any signs of tension. Notice without trying to change anything, without trying to do anything. Scan your body beginning at the top of your head and moving downward. Turn your attention to your head as a whole and observe the sensations. Moving your attention downward to your eyes, nose, chin, down to your shoulders, noticing any tension, noticing how your body feels. Keep scanning, gradually moving down your body. How does your upper body feel? Take note of any tension. Reaching the level of your hips, keep observing and move the attention down. How does this part of your body feel? Notice any tension without trying to change anything. And moving down to the level of your knees, how does this area feel? Keep scanning all the way down to your feet. Now take a moment to scan your whole body, noticing how does your body feel as a whole? Where is the tension in your body? Where do you feel the sensations the strongest? Where is your body the most tense? Focus on the area that is the most tense and imagine the muscles here letting go of their hold, becoming loose and relaxed, letting the tension go. Releasing the tension bit by bit until this area relaxes, warming and relaxing into relaxation. Notice where your body is most relaxed. How does that relaxation feel? Imagine that this relaxation is warming and growing and spreading to the other parts of your body. Feel your body becoming more relaxed as the area of relaxation grows as you continue this process. Imagine the air that you are breathing is pure relaxation. Imagine the oxygen that you breathe in is relaxation. The carbon monoxide that you breathe out is tension. The air exchange is an efficient relaxation system. Feel this relaxation as you take it in through your nose and it moves through your body, adding to the relaxation already there. Expel your body's tension, breathing it out through your mouth. Continue to exchange tension and relaxation. Feel the relaxed area getting bigger, getting more relaxation into your body. Breathe out tension. Feel the tension getting smaller. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out tension. Each breath in adds to the relaxation. A full breath more of relaxation is added to your body. Each breath out removes any tension. Keep breathing in relaxation, breathing out tension. More and more relaxed with each breath. Soon the areas of tension are very small. Your breathing can eliminate them entirely. Imagine breathing out any last amounts of tension. You are feeling so calm, so relaxed. You are breathing in relaxation, breathing out relaxation. Breathe in, relax. Breathe out, relax. Relaxing more and more deeply with each breath. In this relaxation, we will enjoy a minute in the silence, enjoying the presence of God as pure relaxation. And when you are ready, return to this room, open your eyes, and give thanks to God. And so it is. Amen.